A very good morning to all my dear students. I hope all of you are good at your home. At this time, due to spread of coronavirus, we have to follow two major precautions. The first precaution is wash your hands after each activity, and second one is use mask and maintain social distancing. Myself Mohammad Wasim from Saint Andrew School, Bareilly. Today I will teach you chemistry subject for 10th class. The chapter first is chemical reactions and equations. So we are going to study about chemical reactions and chemical equations. So first question is, what is chemical reactions? The chemical reactions are those reactions whenever a chemical changes occurs. Whenever chemical changes occur, then the reaction is called chemical reactions. How we can say that is a chemical reaction or not? So we have to identify this reaction, that reaction is chemical reaction or not. So we have to identify by these following characters. The first character is change in color. If the reaction has taken place, then the reaction change in color, then we can say that the reaction is chemical reaction. If the reaction proceed and the change in state, solid converted into gas and gas converted into liquid, and whatever the state is changed, then we can say that that is a chemical reactions. And third one is change in temperature. If the reaction has taken place, if the temperature is changed, then we can say that is a chemical reactions. So change in temperature, change in state, change in color, and fourth one is evolution of gas. If any reaction taken place, if any chemical reaction has taken the production of gas, evolution of gas has taken, then we can say that is a chemical reaction. Chemical reactions contain two components, made up of two components each chemical reactions, and the left side of the reaction, that is called reactant, and right side of the chemical reaction, that is called product. The reactant and product are separated by the headed arrow, which indicate that is a chemical reactions. So in each chemical reactions are made up of two component, reactant and product. Reactant are those substance, those compound which combine and react each other, they form a product. The properties of the product always be different with the properties of reactant. So chemical reaction consider as a change in color, change in temperature, change in state, and evolution of gas indicated, that is a chemical reactions. And now come to the next point, what is chemical equations? What is chemical equation? If we write any chemical equation, so we have to know about the formula. If any reactant and product indicated are represented by the symbol, then the symbolic reaction is called chemical equation. All those reaction which is indicated by the symbolic representation. The symbolic representation of any chemical reactions, that is called chemical equations. We can say symbolic representation of chemical reactions is called chemical equations. Now come to the next point. What is word equations? The word equation is that equation in which the symbolic form is written in the form of word. Just like a carbon symbol, carbon symbol is C. If we written as carbon and the react with the oxygen, the symbol is O2, and C plus O2, this is a chemical equations, and the word form carbon plus oxygen, that is called word equations. Now come to the next point, how many types of chemical reactions are present. There is many types of chemical reactions, we are going to discuss one by one. So first type of chemical reactions, chemical equations, is addition reaction. We can say combination reaction. When two or more reactant combine, they form only one single product, that is called addition reaction, combination reaction. If more than two reactant combine, they form only one product, that is called addition reaction. Addition means add, combination means combine. So whenever two or more compound combine, they form only a single product, that is called combination reaction. Just like a C plus O2 gives CO2, H2 plus O2 gives H2O, and there are many chemical reactions, that is proceed by the addition reactions. Now come to the second types of equation, that is a decomposition reaction. Up there is a decomposition means breakdown. If any single product, single reactant, if any there is any single reactant break down into two or more product, that is called decomposition reaction. The meaning of decomposition is breakdown. The breakdown of the reactant. Whenever a reactant is break down into two or more product, that is called decomposition reactions. Just like a calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is a formula of chalk, CaCO3. On heating a calcium carbonate, it decomposes into calcium oxide and produce carbon dioxide gas also. Just like a NaCl. NaCl is a sodium and chlorine. NaCl is also on electrolysis gives a sodium and chlorine. So on the decomposition, it gives two or more product. So decomposition means one reactant break down into two or more product, that is called decomposition reactions. There are three types of decomposition reaction: thermal decomposition, and second one is electrolysis, and third one is photo decomposition. Photo decomposition means in the presence of sunlight. Thermal decomposition means on heating, and electrolysis, third one is electrolysis, meaning the breakdown by the through electrolysis. Now come to the third and important types of reaction, that is a displacement reaction. Displace means the position will be changed. The position of atom change during the reaction, that is called displacement reaction. Displace means substitution reaction. We can say substitution reaction. The high reactive element always displace a less reactive element in any solutions. Just like when I add iron nail into the solution of copper sulfate, then as we are adding the iron nail into the copper sulfate solution, then the copper removed from the solution and the product form iron sulfate. Whenever the atom displaced by any high reactive atom, that is called displacement reaction. There is two type of displacement reaction. First one is single displacement. If a single atom is displaced by high reactive atom, single high reactive atom, that is called single displacement reaction. And second one is double displacement reaction. If any chemical reactions there is two atom displaced by two high reactive atom, that is called double displacement reactions. Take it out your pen and paper. Let's note it down, the types of reaction and chemical reactions and chemical equations. Okay, my dear student, we are going to study about chapter first, chemical reactions and equations. First question is arise, what is chemical reactions? In any chemical reactions, if a chemical changes occurs, then we can say that is a chemical reactions. So we can identify chemical changes. The first changes in a chemical form: change in color, change in state, change in temperature, evolution of gas. These are four changes during any reaction. We can say that is a chemical reactions. During any chemical reaction, if any one of these character has taken place, we can say that is a chemical reactions. There are many reactions in which color is changed and state is changed and temperature also change and evolution of gas. Each reaction follow these four characters. Now come to the next point. What is reactant? Reactant and product. Each and every chemical reaction contain two compounds, reactant and product. The chemical reactions are indicated by headed arrow. The right side of headed arrow is called product, and the left side of the headed arrow is called reactant. A reactant always be noted down left side of the chemical reaction, and product is always be noted down right side of the reaction. This is the left side of the reaction, this is the right side of the reactions. We are going to write example: carbon plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide gas, C plus O2. So these are present
left side of the reaction, that is called reactant. So there are two reactant, carbon and oxygen, and there is only one single product because CO2 present right side of the reaction, that is called product. The properties of the reactant and the properties of the product always be different, always be not equal, always be not same, always be different. Now come to the next point, chemical equations. Topic is chemical equation. The symbolic representation of any reactions, that is called chemical equations. Just like we are going to write HCl, hydrochloric acid, plus NaOH. This is a acid, this is a base. This is a HCl, hydrochloric acid, this is a base, sodium hydroxide. These are present left side of the reaction, that is called reactant. When HCl and NaOH combine, they form a product NaCl and H2O. NaCl is a salt and this is a water formula. NaCl, this is NaCl. The symbolic form of any chemical reaction, that is called chemical equation. So this is a chemical equation. Just like we can write second chemical equation. Hydrogen represent as H2 and oxygen represent as O2. Then react with hydrogen and oxygen, they form a water molecules. This reaction is also symbolic representation of chemical equation. So we can say this is a chemical equation. So each and every chemical reactions represented in Y symbol, that is called chemical equations. Now come to the next point. What is word equation? Word equation means the symbol represent into the form of word. Then we can say that is a word equation. So we can write this is a chemical equation. Now write word equations. Word equation means this is a hydrogen. Now take next example. C plus O2 gives CO2. This is a carbon. The word form is carbon. And this is oxygen. Word form is oxygen. And gives CO2. Means carbon dioxide. This is called word equations. Now take another example of word equation. Magnesium represent as Mg and oxygen represent as O2. When magnesium react with oxygen, gives magnesium oxide. There is two oxygen atom, there is one oxygen atom, so we can write 2 at valence. 2 magnesium, so we can write 2 here. To Mg plus O2 gives 2 magnesium oxide. This is a chemical equation because symbolic form, and we can write word equation. This is a magnesium, so we can write magnesium plus this is oxygen, so we can write oxygen here, and this is a magnesium oxide. This is a word equations. Now come to the next point, types of reactions. So we have already discussed about types of reaction. The first type of reaction, addition reaction, or we can say that combination reaction. First one is addition reaction or combination reactions. Whenever two or more reactant combined, they form only one single product, that is called addition or combination reactions. There is one reactant and there is a second reactant, and combined they form only one, that is called addition or combination reactions. Just like A plus B combined, they form only one single product, that is called AB, that is the addition reaction. Now take examples. Mg is one reactant, first reactant, and O2 is second reactant. Combined they form only one single product, that is called MgO, magnesium oxide. Second example, carbon plus oxygen combined they form CO2, that is also a addition reaction. And now take third example, H2 plus O2 combined they form H2O. Na plus Cl negative combined form NaCl. This is examples of addition reaction. There are two reactants, first reactant and this is a second reactant. Whenever two or more reactant combined, they form only single product, that is called addition reaction. Now come to the next and second types of reaction, that is called decomposition reaction. Decomposition meaning breakdown of the reactant. Decompose means breakdown. Whenever only single reactant broke down into two or more product, that is called decomposition reactions. Just like example, on heating calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate, there is only one single product, single reactant. This is indicated by only single. On heating, we are going to heat, gives calcium oxide plus CO2 gas. These are two products. This is a only single reactant convert into two or more product, that is called decomposition reaction. Now take third example of decomposition reactions, iron sulfate. On heating iron sulfate, it gives iron oxide plus sulfur dioxide plus sulfur trioxide. So there is only one single reactant gives three different products, that is called decomposition reaction. Now come to the next types of reaction, that is called displacement reaction. Displacement reactions. Displace means rearrange of atom, or we can say that displace any high reactive atom or element, displace less reactive element from the solution. Just like this is a and react with another reactant BC, and A is high reactive than B. So A or then A displace a B and form a product AC. So B is displaced from BC, that is called displacement reaction. There is two types of displacement reaction, single displacement. If a single atom displace, only single atom displace, that is called single displacement. If there is two atom displace, then we can say double displacement reactions. A displace C and B displace D. So we can say AC plus BD. This is a double displacement reactions. So we can take an example by the single displacement and double displacement reactions. When we add iron into the solution of copper sulfate, iron is high reactive than copper. Then iron displace a copper and form iron sulfate, and copper is removed. Same here, there is also many reactions which take place, just like a zinc react with copper sulfate, give zinc sulfate, and copper is displaced. This is a single displacement because there is only one single atom displaced. This is only one single atom This is a high reactive atom and displace copper. And second type of displacement reaction is double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction. Double displacement reactions, just like a sodium sulfate, Na2SO4 sodium sulfate, react with barium chloride solution. Then sodium displace barium. Sodium is high reactive than barium. Then sodium displace barium, and sodium takes position in the place of barium. It gives NaCl, 2NaCl, and Na displaced by barium. So barium takes place in the position of sodium. So this is combined with SO4 and gives barium sulfate. This is a double displacement reaction. Thank you all my dear students. I hope all of you understand well, and you have to note it down all types of reactions, chemical equations, word equations, and make assignment by yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.